everybody just go to click on view text. Okay, maybe okay, view text. Yes, it is opening. Okay, just open the view text. One of the options is estimates. Go to estimates, then scalars in the left side. Here you will find the regression weight. You will find this is the estimates, this is unstandardized beta, or we denote this one by B, okay, and this is the value of standard error, and this is called the critical ratio. Critical ratio is the value of t value. If one is significant, then we say for critical ratio is if it is 1.96 or above for two tail, then our hypothesis or the relationship becomes significant. And this is the p value. P value means 0.000. Here from here we can find if this p value is less than 0.05, then it is significant. So how to extract the result and how to present the result, I shall show you, then I shall explain. So just follow me, just take this one.
Sir,
yes,
what label indicates what? Part 25, part 26.
Just ignore this.
No
need of this.
Okay.
Okay, it comes automatically from the software. So just copy first left side and then click on the right side and copy, and open your Excel sheet. Then so this is we need up to this one. This is with the indicators and variables. We have to delete this one, no need of this. Okay, and we shall take the standardized value, standardized regression weight. We have to go back to the view text again and standard, click on standardized regression. This is the value of beta. This is our most important. What is the meaning of beta? Here if you click on here, you will find some, okay, what it is telling. When OS goes up by 1 standard deviation, satisfaction goes up by 0.279 standard deviation. What does it mean? Anybody can explain? Suppose this one, I have clicked on this one, this meaning this one. Anybody can explain?
Yes, sir, I will try.
Yes,
it
please.
means that for every 1 standard deviation increase in the wage, that means if you increase the wage by 1, the satisfaction level goes up by 27.9 standard deviation. Or in other words, the total satisfaction, the contribution of wage to the satisfaction is 27.9%. That is what I understand.
Yes, exactly. This fair enough for the explanation. Just copy this one and take to the Excel, and you can create here one column here and put these estimates up to here. This is the value of beta, beta, beta. This is the value of B, unstandardized beta. This is standard ratio, this is critical ratio, this is p value, and you can delete this column and you are writing here decision. Decision. Okay, and this is the hypothesis. hypothesis. So how to present our structural model result, I am showing you. Okay. Okay, say as per our result, what is the relationship between, what is the effect, is there any significant effect between OS and satisfaction? Is there any effect?
Yes,
It is significant or not?
significant.
Significant, yes,
Significant.
significant. Or you can write accepted or like this. Normally in the paper we write accepted like this. Yes. How about the next? It is also,
Sir, all
yes,
significant, sir.
yes, please. Yeah.
Significant.
Yes, yes. All are significant, right? In our
Yes, sir.
case.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. This is if the p value is more than 0.05 and the critical ratio value is less than 1.96, then it will not be significant. This is the value of beta, as our brother explained what is the beta means, and this is unstandardized beta. Okay, this is how we present the results of path coefficient result. PAT is path coefficient. In bracket you can write direct effect result. All are this direct effect. Okay, so this is the direct effect result. So this is how we present the result. And last day I have shown you how to take snap of our picture, our structural model that we need to present in our thesis. Just if you click on here, copy the path diagram and open your thesis or Word file, just paste there. Okay, here. So this is very look like very nice, like, say, is it okay now? This is the beauty of AMOS. Okay, so this is before going to
Please come again with the copy. Please come again with the
okay,
copy.
yeah, just click copy the path diagram. See my cursor, just click here and open the Word file and paste there, brother.
All right, thank you.
Welcome. So before finish my laptop's charge, so I would like to show you at least the mediation effect. Just give me, don't yeah, what will you do? Everything will remain the same. Just save it. First you save it, save the current path diagram. Everybody please save it, then your structural model is saved. Now what will we do? We will save this path diagram, this structural model into mediation analysis. Mediation analysis. Just give the name as structural model as mediation analysis. Say the mediation analysis, one file has been created. So just select this mediation analysis. Now we are under mediation. What will we do now? We shall create two model here. Then before that we shall give the name of the path diagram, all the steps here in your in your in the slide, presentation slide I gave to you. All the steps are given to you. So what we have to do, you have to save as the existing structural model, rename bootstrapping or mediation test, and here we shall give the 7 path levels. All of this, how to give it, I have shown over here. You can follow this one or you can follow me as well. So we shall give the path name, okay, in every path for our mediation test. Suppose OS and satisfaction, this path, if we click on the arrow here, we will give the name in the parameters, okay. We will give the name as, you can say, with W and S, with satisfaction, okay. And don't close this. And here if you click on here as well, what will automatically go, you can write here welfare facility, W, F and S, welfare facilities and satisfaction, this path. And this path is in between fringe benefit and satisfaction, FB, fringe benefit and satisfaction. And please keep uniformity, otherwise you will be in trouble. Whatever I am using the same thing, because in future you may be in trouble, because due to of assigning the path.
Doctor, please take that again so that we don't mix it up.
Okay, brother. See, suppose ways and performance, just click on the arrow of the ways and satisfaction on the arrow, double click there. In the parameter you will give the path name. Here you will give the path name ways and W and P, and welfare facilities and performance W, F, P, and fringe benefit and performance FB, FBP, and this one satisfaction and performance, SP. Assign all these 7. If you have issue, you can ask me, brother. Maybe it will be a little bit difficult for you. Okay, is it okay, everybody?
We are creating the tables.
Just 30 seconds, please.
Just click there and give the name in the regression weight.
Okay, done.
Okay, mashallah. Maybe some brothers cannot do yet. So just follow me, because I don't have much time. That's why I would like to finish the mediation effect before
Yes.
my charge gone. So,
We are done.
yes, mashallah. Here in the default model, we have only one default model, right? Just double click here. this default model, you will give the mediation model. Mediation model, MODEL model. After writing this, just keep it as it is.
Please 1 second, sir.
Yes. Yes, brother. We have one model that is here default model, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. So we shall create another model. Sorry, two model here. One is mediation model. We will write here mediation model. Then click on new. We shall create here direct model. We will create two model here. Direct model. After writing this direct model, you will close it. Otherwise, it may create, if you go another new, then it will create 3 model, then you will not get the result. So just click this. We have to create these two model, mediation model and direct model.
Done.
Yes,
Question.
yes, please.
Done. Done, doctor.
Mashallah.
No, in our case, I don't new.
Okay.
I have a problem, but I read direct model, but I don't found mediation model.
Okay, okay. You have the one model here, right? Direct
Yes.
model.
Yes.
Just click on here, and in the you click on the new. Click on the new. Then another maybe default model will come there. You delete that one and write there mediation model. So you will get, then close it. Then you will get two model.
Oh.
In my case, the models have been 3. So
Yes. Two
Okay.
model is created.
Okay, okay. Now what will you do? Just double click on the direct model here. In the direct model, you will assign these 4 paths, like in WS, WFS, FBS and SP. All these 4 paths we will make it 0, like WS equal to 0, then WFS, welfare facilities and satisfaction, equal to 0, then fringe benefit and
Yes.
satisfaction equal to 0, and then SP satisfaction and performance equal to 0. After doing this, you will close the window.
Sorry. OS and performance WP.
OS and performance, yes. No, this is the direct. It will remain the same. In this one model, the whole result will come. In another model, direct model, where only the direct relationship we will observe. Okay, we will observe in one model. We will observe the direct effect, and another model we will observe what is the mediation effect. Then we will compare the results of between these two model. Okay, just for the sake of time, just do it like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Done, doctor.
Done?
Done.
Mashallah. Your name, brother?
Then we close the window.
Okay, yes. Now your model is ready. However, we have to give the analysis properties. Okay, in analysis properties, here we are in output, right? Here we will click on the bootstrap. In the bootstrap, here perform bootstrap. In AMOS, for mediation analysis, we need to do the bootstrapping test. So in bootstrap, we need to take it 5,000 times, 5,000 times bootstrapping, and bias corrected this one, it would be 95%. It is by default it is 90%. We need 95%. And bootstrap maximum likelihood, bootstrap maximum likelihood. Okay, just perform bootstrap 5,000 times, and bias corrected confidence interval, it is 95%, and bootstrap maximum likelihood, select these three, and here it is 95, and ensure this. Okay, now close the window. Now your model is absolutely okay to run. So what will go to the Bismillah, just after clicking the calculate estimates, leave it. Maybe it will take several minutes, because 5,000 times it will calculate and recalculate, resampling process. So it will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes. If your laptop is very high configuration, maybe it will take less time. However, just click on the calculate estimates and leave the mouse. It will take.
Doctor.
Yes.
Sorry. Question. Is there any reason for us to put bootstrap for 5,000?
Yes, I don't understand.
Is there any reason
Yes,
behind the
this is
5,000?
recommended. This is recommended by the software. Those who has created this software, they has recommended for doing the mediation effect, mediation test. You need to perform 5,000 times for resampling process.
Got the result.
Thank you.
Got the result.
Just wait until my one is done.
I have got the result, sir.
Okay, just wait.
Sir, I have a question here.
Yes, please.
Sir, is that important to provide this information while writing a paper, that we are bootstrapping it or something like?
Yes, 5,000 times through the resampling process, 5,000 times bootstrapping we perform, then the result we get presented in the table. You have to give like that. You have to mention it. It must be in 5,000 times. Okay. So I hopefully everybody got the result, right? Just click on view text.
Yes.
View the output path diagram. See, if it is direct model, if you select the direct model, have you seen all these ways and satisfaction 0, welfare and satisfaction 0, or fringe benefit and satisfaction 0, and satisfaction
0.
all these in one, it is coming all the 0. We block it. Now we observe the total effect, means the direct effect between the IVs and DV. So it is the, and in another one, in the mediation model, if you go to the mediation model, you will find here all the mediation result, including direct effect and as well as indirect effect result also showing. So ways and satisfaction also showing in the mediation model. So in the direct model also showing, and the welfare to satisfaction, and with the mediator, all the results are showing in the mediation model. In the direct model only this. So I know you have used question, but before that I would like to show you how to extract the result for the mediation analysis, which is most critical one in the AMOS for getting the for extraction of mediation effect result and taking the decision. Okay, because we don't have much time, that's why I would like to finish at least one before my laptop is stopped due to power. Okay, So, how to extract the result? I have given you all the direction here, which is most important one. If you follow this one, results extraction for mediation analysis, then if you follow this one, then you will not have any problem, inshallah. So, we will follow this together. Before extraction of the result, I would like to tell you, just open the file, the calculation of AV and CR and result presentation. Just open this Excel file, because how to present the mediation effect result, I have created the table there. Already table has been created. It would be difficult for you, that's why I have created you can follow that one for your thesis one as well. So, it will not have any problem, inshallah. So, just open the file number 3, calculation of AV and CR and result presentation. Just open this file. Here in mediation or indirect effect, just open this one. Okay, here you will find the mediation effect of OAs on performance through job satisfaction. Okay, here in hypothesized path, this is OA with performance through the satisfaction. Here we need these values like beta value for direct model OAs on performance. From the direct model, we shall extract the value of beta and the p value, and here in the mediation model OAs on performance, we shall collect the beta value and p value, and the standardized indirect effect. We need the beta value, p value, and lower bound and upper bound. After getting all these values, then we shall take the decision either we have the mediation effect or no mediation, or partial mediation or full mediation. From certain criteria, we shall take the decision that we have the mediation effect. If it is mediation effect is there, either it is full mediation or partial mediation, or any of these. So, how can we extract the result? We need OAs with the performance, right? Everybody open this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, suppose with OAs with performance, we need the beta value and p value. Okay, how can we get the beta value and p value? Everybody open this one and go to the view text. If you follow my slide, it is very easy. Go to find beta value from standardized regression weight and p value from regression weight, that is unstandardized beta value from there. But ensure that you have selected the direct model, because we want to the direct model, right? So, in the view text, you have to ensure which model you have selected. First, you select from the direct model. Select here from the direct model, in the direct model. Okay, then go to the estimates. Have you selected the direct model? And then go to the estimates, then scalars, then standardized regression weights. This is the beta value. The beta value between OAs and performance is 0.197. 0.197, right? Just write this, the beta value for standardized regression weight, beta value 0.197. Okay, then p value. Where we will get the p value? Go to the regression weight. Here the p-value between wage on performance. Okay, here the p-value is 0, 0, 0. So we will write there p-value is 0.000. So this is how we get the wage and performance beta value and p-value. Similarly, we have to take the beta value and p-value for the from the mediation model. So how can we do this? You have to select the mediation model from here. Okay, go to a standardized regression and wage with performance, the beta value 0.118. Okay, the beta value is 0.118. 0.118. Okay, and then go to the regression weight for the p-value, wage with performance, the p-value is 0.026. 0.026. Okay, now this too is very easy. However, standardized indirect effect getting these 4 values is a little bit challenging. That's why if you follow my instruction of my presentation slide, there you will find all the instruction where you will get the beta value for standardized indirect effect and in standardized indirect effect p value and the lower bound and upper bound for. Just follow this one. Select the mediation model for getting the standardized indirect effect and p value, and go to the estimate, then matrix, and then BC at estimates and bootstrap for p value. Okay, go here. You will find in we already selected the mediation model, right? And go to the matrix here. Okay, in the estimates under below that we have the matrix. Click on there. Standard, if you go there, standardized indirect effect, this one is standardized indirect effect. If you click on here, standardized indirect effect, then you will find wage with performance. Wage with performance is the beta the beta value. Here we need the beta value first. Standardized, the beta value is here we need for see. If you go to the estimates and then matrix and select standardized indirect effect for taking beta value. Okay, after that go to two tail significant BC at estimates bootstrap for p value. So first of all we need the beta value, and that's why this is the beta value wage with performance. Wage with performance and wage is 0.080. 0.080 standardized 0.080, and the p value is okay. So go there, and here if you go to estimates here, if you follow this one, then you will not forget. After that go to two tailed significant BC to estimates. Two tailed significant BC. How will you go? Click on here, bias corrected, and two tail significant BC. In the estimates bootstrap, here bootstrap confidence interval, bias corrected percentage, here two tail significance. Click on here. Here you will find wage with performance. Here is the 0.000. As I told you, it is very important to extract the result for the standardized indirect effect, the p value. Okay, just select from there 0.000. Now we need the lower bound and upper bound. Okay, LB and UB. So how can we get this? Okay, here lower bounds or here upper bound. So click on lower bound. Here you will find the ways with performance. The lower bound is 0.0 for the case of ways. It is lower bound is 0.036. 0.036. If you go back there again, then go to the upper bound. Here ways with performance is 0.143. 0.143 upper bound, 0.143. Okay, this is the most challenging part of SEM to extract the result for the mediation. Okay, after collecting this all these values for suppose from the direct model, what is the beta value and p value in between the ways and performance, and ways and performance beta value and p value in the case of mediation model, and standardized indirect effect, the beta value, p value, and lower bound and upper bound. Okay. Here we have certain criteria in which basis we will take the decision that we have the mediation effect or no mediation effect. The first. Second is, if there is mediation effect, then either it is full mediation or partial mediation. You got the point? Everybody following me?
Yes, yes, doctor.
It is a heavy loading to you, right? Now, okay. I have given, for make it simple, I have given you my all the criterion in which basis you will take the decision. If you follow my slide, it will help you. Okay, just here decision criteria I have given you. If in direct model, if in direct model if the hobe, if the if the direct model is significant, if the p value is less than 0.05, and standardized indirect effect is also significant, and upper bound and lower bound both either positive or negative, which means 0 not in between, then there is a mediation effect. Okay, my laptop is going to okay. So that is the mediation effect. If the direct model and mediation model and standardized indirect all are, I need to close my laptop.